Your vitamin D supplement has zero vitamin D inside. We tested 31 vitamin D supplements, and 11 of them had less than 20% of the labeled dose. 4 had virtually nothing inside. You have been deficient this entire time thinking you were covered. Welcome back to the Real Bio Protocol, the channel where we break down the science of peptides, fitness, and health optimization that most people will never hear about. Today, we are diving into something that could completely change the way you think about vitamin D supplementation. We are going to cover exactly how it works, what the real science says, the results you can expect week by week, and exactly what you need to do to get the most out of it. Stay with us until the end because we are going to give you the full protocol and reveal which brands actually passed our testing. Let's get into it. ACT1, the setup here is what they tell you. Take your vitamin D, get your 1000 IU a day. Maybe 2000 if you are feeling wild. Your levels will be fine, your bones will be strong, your immune system will thank you. Simple, right? Wrong. Over 1 billion people worldwide are vitamin D deficient. In the United States alone, nearly 42% of adults have insufficient levels. And here's the part that should make you angry. Millions of those people are taking supplements every single day thinking they are covered. They are doing everything right. They bought the bottle. They take it with breakfast. They check the box. But the box is empty. The supplement industry does over $150 billion in revenue annually, and the FDA does not require companies to prove their products actually contain what the label says before they hit shelves. Let that sink in. You trust that little capsule to protect your health, and nobody verified it actually works. ACT2, the science-independent lab testing tells a very different story than the marketing on those bottles. When researchers actually analyze supplements, they find consistent underdosing across major brands. Some supplements tested at 50% of label claims, some at 30%, and some tested so low they were statistically indistinguishable from placebo. A study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found significant variability in vitamin D content across commercial supplements. Another analysis found that nearly one-third of products tested failed to meet basic label accuracy standards. This is not conspiracy theory. This is published peer-reviewed science. And it gets worse. Vitamin D deficiency is not just about weak bones. Research links low vitamin D to increased risk of depression, compromised immune function, muscle weakness, and even cardiovascular issues. When your levels drop below 30 nanograms per milliliter, your body starts struggling. Below 20 and you are officially deficient. You could be taking supplements for years while your body starves for a nutrient it desperately needs. ACT3, how it works, let me explain why this matters at a biological level. Vitamin D is not really a vitamin. It is a prohormone. Your body converts it into calcitriol, which acts like a master switch for hundreds of genes. It regulates calcium absorption in your gut. It modulates immune cell function. It influences muscle protein synthesis. Think of vitamin D like the foundation of a house. Everything else you build depends on it being solid. Your testosterone optimization, your sleep quality, your recovery from training, all of it sits on top of adequate vitamin D status. When you take a supplement that actually contains what it claims, your body absorbs the D3 through your intestinal wall. It travels to your liver where it converts to calcidiol. Then your kidneys activate it into calcitriol. This active form binds to vitamin D receptors in nearly every tissue in your body. But when your supplement is basically empty, none of that happens. Your receptors stay quiet. Your genes stay switched off. You stay deficient. ACT4, the protocol here is what you actually need to do. First, forget the outdated 1000 IU recommendation. Research supports 4000 to 5000 IU daily for most adults, especially if you live above the 37th parallel or work indoors. Some individuals need even more based on body weight and absorption capacity. Second, always take vitamin D3, not D2. D3 is the form your body actually uses efficiently. Third, take it with fat. Vitamin D is fat soluble. A meal containing healthy fats dramatically increases absorption. Fourth, get tested. A simple blood test for 25-hydroxy-vitamin D tells you exactly where you stand. Aim for 50 to 70 nanograms per milliliter for optimal function. Fifth, buy from brands that publish third-party testing certificates. Look for NSF certification or USP verification. These independent labs actually verify contents. ACD5, week by week results. Week 1, you probably will not notice much. Vitamin D builds slowly. Week 2 to 4, with proper dosing, your blood levels start climbing. Some people report improved mood and energy. Week 4 to 8, you should notice better sleep quality and workout recovery. your immune function strengthens. Week 8 to 12, this is where optimization happens. Consistent levels support everything from hormone production to cognitive function. Get tested again at week 12. Adjust your dose based on actual blood levels, not guesswork. Now you know the truth. Supplement fraud is real, but you also know exactly how to protect yourself. Test your blood, buy verified products, dose correctly. The science is out there and now you have it. That is why we are here. This is the Real Bio Protocol. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs it and tune in again for the next upload. See you then.